Okay, hi parents. We're going to do an activity today. It's a phonological awareness activity. It's an onset rhyme, which helps children learn to read. It's a pre-reading skill. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break up a word. You ready? Okay. I'm going to break up a word into parts, and they're going to have to blend the word back together. So Elin, do you like animals? You do. Can you name some animals? Go ahead. Name some animals.
Zebra,
Okay.
cats, doggy,
Okay.
giraffe.
Okay. Well, we're gonna play. That's good. Thank you. We're gonna play a game. I'm gonna break up a word into parts. Listen, and I want you to guess the word and put it back together. Do you think you could do that for me? Okay. Ready? Can you guess this word?
Yeah.
Put our shoes on. Here we go. At.
Cat.
Good girl. What about dog?
Dog.
Good. At.
Bat.
Goat.
Goat.
Hmm.
Zebra.